Hi guys, so quickly, last step in our illustrations is adding texture. So here I added a knit texture to my sweater. I really like the way that it came out. I think it just finishes it really nicely. So I'll show you how I did it. I also chose a texture for my pants. It's like a little twill. Now, there's this great website, freepik.com. You could get any texture you want. Leathers, knit, rib. Just make sure you put textures in the search. You could download any of these for free. Don't use the one with the crown. They're going to make you get a subscription. And what else can we find? Denim. Textures. They have everything. It's really the weave that we're looking for, not the exact color. See that weave? That's what we're looking for. So that's a great site, freepik.com. Now, whoops, sorry. I went and found this sweater knit. So I downloaded it and I brought it into PS. I did the same thing for my knit. So what we need to do is to take this marquee tool, right? Edit, define pattern, and it'll pop up here. Now, what I did, because we did our highlights first, I copied the sweater and put it on top and then filled it, right? So what we need to do is to go to the pants, right? So what I did was pants, layer, duplicate. And then you get the pants copy on top, right? I want to make sure I click on that. Let's make sure we're deselected, right? I'm on the right layer. I'm going to click on my pattern and now it's there, right? It's a little big. So what I want to do is I want to scale that down. Right? Let's take a look. Let's zoom in. It's not going to let me zoom in. What do we think? Do we want to go smaller? Oof, that's too small. Sorry about the camera. My computer kept freezing. It wasn't loving doing all of this stuff. I have AI open, and I have Photoshop open, I have too many things open. All right, I like that texture. Now, what's the problem here? It's a little gray, right? Because that swatch I pulled in, it's pulling up that color. And that's not the color I want. So, how do I fix that? I go into occupancy, and I'm going to change it. See how it's changing my color? And it's just giving it a little texture. Ooh, I like that. I'm going to leave it on that. Now, instead, if I wanted to download a leather, I could do that and fill my bag in that way. I think I might do that. And maybe I want to do like a brown shiny patent leather for my shoe. I'm going to look for that too. That's a great idea. And then, guess what, guys? Voila, we are done. If you wanted to add some backgrounds, I know Maya has a really great idea for a background. We could do that, but we'll work on that once we're really done with our finalized sketches. Last thing that you can do if you want is to change your layer, right? You could do the darker. Oh, that might look cool. Multiply. Let's zoom in and see what that looks like. I don't mind that. I think it makes it a little rich, right? I did the same thing to my sweater. It came in a little a little light, and I really wanted it to have that rich dark color, so I changed that too. I think I'm going to leave it like that. And the only thing that maybe I might do is to take my little eraser tool, right? And if I want to go in and change, we're going to have to make that a little bigger, right? I could kind of clean that up. Now I'm going to have to hit the right pant layer in order to do that. So I could go in and clean that up. But other than that, I am done. I'm really happy. Ooh, look how cute it is when you zoom in with how it all came out, right? I have to make sure I'm on the right layer. Clean that up. And we are good to go. Like I said, I may go in and download a leather and change that. I'm going to add something to my shoe, my hair, my makeup. Everything is done. Ooh, I can also add leather to my belt. Maybe I will do that too. If I change it, I will certainly show you guys. But that's it. We're done. We did all the steps. I hope you guys are starting to change your mind about PS. And there's really some really cool, neat things that we could do here to really elevate your illustrations. And I hope you're enjoying it a little more and getting a little more comfortable with it and starting to see all the really cool things we can do. Alrighty, have a great week, and I will see you soon. Bye.